Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Today we are demystifying the Brazilian Good Manufacturing Practice Inspection, known as BGMP, a critical step for market entry into Brazil. This process, overseen by the National Health Surveillance Agency ANVISA, is mandatory for manufacturers of Class 3 and 4 medical devices. It is a rigorous evaluation of a company's quality management system. The journey begins not with the manufacturer, but with your Brazil registration holder, or BRH. The BRH is responsible for formally petitioning ANVISA to initiate the BGMP certification process. This initial submission is crucial. It must include a comprehensive set of documents, such as the company's master file, quality manuals, and detailed site information. Any error or omission in this package can lead to significant delays before the process even starts. Once the petition is accepted, the waiting period for the on-site inspection begins, which can often take more than a year. ANVISA inspections are known for their meticulous detail and practical focus. Unlike desk audits, inspectors want to see processes in action on the factory floor. They will interview operators, review batch records, and verify that standard operating procedures are not just written down, but are actively followed. A real-world example illustrates this point perfectly. An IVD manufacturer with MDSAP certification felt confident about their inspection. Their documentation was flawless. However, an ANVISA inspector noticed a minor deviation in the gowning procedure as an employee entered a clean room. This observation led to a deep dive into training records and personnel qualification, ultimately uncovering a gap in their continuous training program. This single, seemingly small issue resulted in a non-conformity that delayed their market approval by several months. This case highlights a key takeaway. BGMP compliance is about demonstrating a living, breathing culture of quality, not just presenting perfect paperwork. Common pitfalls for foreign manufacturers often involve underestimating these cultural and practical nuances. Another frequent issue is the management of post-market surveillance and vigilance. ANVISA has very specific requirements for reporting adverse events, and a company's global system may not be perfectly aligned with Brazil's local expectations. Inspectors will rigorously check your CAPA system, ensuring that complaints are thoroughly investigated and that corrective actions are effective and well documented. Preparation is therefore essential. Companies should conduct intensive mock audits that simulate the detail-oriented approach of an ANVISA inspector. Ensure your local team, from senior management to production line staff, understands their roles and can articulate them clearly. Preparing for a BGMP inspection is a strategic investment. It requires local expertise, meticulous preparation, and a deep understanding of ANVISA's specific focus areas. Getting it right opens the door to one of the most significant medtech markets in Latin America. For companies seeking guidance on navigating the complexities of the BGMP process or other regulatory challenges in Latin America, our team at Chen-Global is here to help. You can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https://pureglobal.com/.